got raspberry matcha latte, elderflower spritz, and then the ube cloud. So what would you like? And then there's just plain. Okay, perfect. And then Mary, what would you like?
Sorry, can you repeat those?
Ube cloud, raspberry matcha latte, matcha spritz, plain. Plain? Raspberry. I feel like this is the professional way to do it. Perfect.
Something for free.
So you're doing milk and then.
Okay.
There is another one.
Do we need any more ube?
Maybe you can put a bit.
Oopsies. That's nice. A little bit of matcha just went onto your.
If not you.
But